Mga kaibigan, nandito na ho kami, no? We are just here in Buda. No, it is a German hospital. No, nasa Buda na ho tayo. Patungong Davao City na ho tayo, mga kaibigan. Kung makikita ho natin, that is Buda National High School. Ayan. As you can see here, dalawang bus ito. There are two buses here, rural transit tours or the rural tours, mga kaibigan. Yung sa kabila is 3 stop and ito irregular. Kasi we're just from Tagum City kagabi and you are just on board from Davao City going to Quezon Bukidnon for non-stop. 875 yung pamasahe. Ngayon nandito ho tayo. Kita ho nila. So thank you so much, especially and just visiting my parents here. Thank you so much, mga kaibigan. Dito ho tayo, makikita nila.